pulling our new 71 out of the box here. It's ready to go. This is how it arrives. It's a team lift to get it out of the box. You're going to want to unpin the 2 hitch pins. And very simply, fold your handle up, pinning the first side. Followed by the other side. From the factory, it comes packed with the hook here on the back. So you're just going to unhook that, come over to this side. Has a free spool mode. We're just going to turn this and put hands on it here. Free spool position. Lifting the bungee in the rear. Pulling out the rope, which has the other pulley with it. You're ready to go. So this is the 71-2 pull bar. What we did here was loosen the C-clamps, slide the bar out. We cut our carpet and rolled up a piece of it into here. Replaced the bar, clamped it back down, and now we're ready to remove the carpet from the floor. All right, so now we're going to hook the pulley up to the 71-2 pull bar. Hook that up. We're in free spool mode. Now we're going to take this piece and return it to the machine, clamping it on right here. We'll return the machine from free spool mode to engagement. Now we're going to peel some carpet off the floor.